Excuse me, do you speak English or Japanese?
Little.
Actually, I'm a photographer. Can I take some photo for you?
우리 사진 찍어서.
아,
괜찮아?
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Where are you from?
Korea.
Korea. Oh.
유튜버?
Photographer. I starting now. Before 1 month.
New.
아,
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Rin.
Rin. Your name is
정우.
Chong. Your name is
소은.
Su-in.
Oh yeah.
Oh, my name is Santosh. Nice to meet you.
어.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You looking? This is your picture. Huh?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice
You-